Okay everyone, this is how you set up, jailbreak, and install CatchOn TV onto your Amazon Fire TV stick. Follow the instructions on the screen. Pretty easy so far. Connection successful. It's going to check for updates. Fire TV has been updated. Okay, now you have to sign into your Amazon account. So click sign in. Then it gives you this website, amazon.com/code. You'll type in the activation code and then it will progress to the next screen. So hang on while I do this. If you don't want to go to the amazon.com/code and type the code in, you can also scan the QR code with your phone's camera and log in that method. After you register the Amazon Fire TV stick, it will say continue. I redacted the name for privacy concerns. Just gonna skip this. Okay, Fire TV remote is now set up. Just skip all this stuff, no thanks. Stock photography, done. You can set up parental controls and pins. I suggest not to, it's kind of a pain in the ass. So set this to never, never, and continue. Agree to that. Log into your profile. Let everything load for a minute or so here. Okay, so this is your directional pad, left, down, right, up. The center button is the clicky button or the select button. So you're gonna go over to settings, go down to My Fire TV, and go to About. And you're gonna click this button 7 times to put it into like jailbreak mode, you could call it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Made you a developer, and now you have developer options here. So that's very important you do that before we do anything else. Okay, now we're gonna go to the search bar here that says find, go down to search. We're gonna type in downloader, so D, it pops up immediately, downloader app. Click downloader. We're going to install this app onto the Fire Stick. Click get. Let it download. Installing. Okay, don't open it. You need to hit the home button here. Go back to the Amazon home. Go over to settings again. Go to My Fire TV. Developer options. Install unknown apps. And make sure downloader is turned on. Just hit the select button. It turns it on. Go back home, hit the home button, go over to the 3 squares with the plus symbol, that's your apps. Go down to downloader and open downloader. Just hit allow, okay. Go up into the search bar. This is a short code. You're gonna type in 4185818 and hit go. And it's automatically going to take you to the correct website to download the CatchOn app. Okay, that first short code did not work. Let's try another one I have. So 8 1 6 7 4 5 7. Hit go. Okay, it's downloading CatchOn. Go down and hit install. Okay, the app is installed. Do not open it, just click done. And then it will say file successfully downloaded. Now you can delete the information, hit delete. Are you sure? Delete. Hit the home button on the remote. Go back over to the settings, the gear icon. Go down to My Fire TV. Go to developer options, install unknown apps, and turn CatchOn on. Hit the home button again. Come over to your apps, which is the 3 squares with the plus symbol. Come in there. Now scroll down here to CatchOn. And you're going to hit the button on the remote that is right next to the home button. It's a horizontal 3-line button. Hit that button and hit move to front. Hit the home button. And now CatchOn is the first icon where Netflix used to be, so that way you don't have to go searching for it every time. So you're going to click on open CatchOn. Do the update. Hit install on the update. Update installed, and then this time you can hit open. Okay, so it's gonna ask you for a prepaid code. So you can either contact me to get prepaid codes. For 3 codes, it's $100 for a year. Sometimes they have specials, like right now they have 2 years for $140. You have to buy it with Bitcoin. It's like a Bitcoin wallet. If you don't feel like doing that, like I said, you can just purchase from me, and I have a way to do it pretty easy. After I send you the codes, you'll enter the big long code that starts with 2123C into here, and you'll hit OK. Okay, this is our first activation code out of the 3 that we purchased. type it all in, make sure it's capital C, hit next, hit OK. If the code is correct, you should see the screen. So these are all the different countries of channel packages that you have with CatchOn. I unselect them all, so only the orange ones above this line should be turned on. Go over, hit submit. Okay, now you're into the CatchOn app. The first time it's going to kick you out immediately. It's just something it does when the first time it activates. So if you go to My Live, it's going to give you that error right there. Activation period has expired. The app will be terminated. Hit OK. It kicks you out the first time. Go back into it, and that should be the only time that it ever does that. Okay, so now that we're into CatchOn, I'll give you a quick rundown of how it works. So if you come up here to the search box and hit over into the box, this is where you can use the push to talk button to search for something like Yellowstone. Hit next, and it searches CatchOn for the Yellowstone series, and then you can easily find that. You can search for movies, whatever you're looking for in there. So My Live is where most of your, obviously, live television is going to be. So let's turn this down. So you have your categories on the left, so news networks, and then if you want to go over to the news, see there's 39 news channels, 1 out of 39. Hit the right button, then you have this red cursor. Over here, it gives you the TV guide of what's coming up. But yeah, you can scroll down through all the news, Fox, CNN, whatever you want to watch. If you want to watch Fox News, simply just click on Fox News, and there you have it. To go back, you have to hit the back button twice. It's this back arrow button, 1, 2. Go back into My Live. So you got your local channels, the next section down. There's 551 local channels. So for us, it's gonna be Pittsburgh. So hold the button down, take it down to the P's. Okay, so now we're here. If you would like to favorite a channel, you hit the button here, which is the 3 lines. Hit the button and hit add favorites. And then it places a heart symbol beside it. And if you go back, there's now a favorites tab with all your favorites are going to accumulate here, so you don't need to go searching for it each time. So there's all the local channels, U.S. Entertainment. This is 108 of your most popular channels, you know, Adult Swim, Comedy Central. You got your cooking shows, Court TV, Discovery, Fox, your Hallmarks, game shows, Outdoor Channel, MTV's, Paramount, all that. Go back, you got your premium movie channels, you got 65 of them, HBO's, MGM, Showtime, Cinemax, Stars. Go back, 33 kids channels, Nickelodeon, Cartoon Network, Adult Swim. Go back again, sports channel, sports section. There's 182 sports channels, ESPN's, Big Ten Network, UFC. That's a general rundown of all the live TV shows. So hit back again to go back to your to the home screen. Next section down is movies. This is categorized by genre up here if you want to narrow it down. If you would like to favorite a movie, it's the same thing as before. Hit the 3, or actually you need to go into it. Hit add favorites, go back, and then it started another row up the top here for your favorite movies. So we'll just unselect that. Same way we selected it, remove favorites. Then there's a series section. This is your Yellowstones, your NCIS, Chicago Fire, Chicago PD. It's also categorized by genre up here at the top if you want to narrow it down. Same way as before, if you want to favorite a series, hit favorites. It will start another row for you. Go down here to pay-per-view and sporting events. This is where all the UFC fights will be. They'll be down here. There's none on right now, obviously, but UFC fights will be there. Like the Jake Paul fight on Netflix was on there. You can also come in here and find baseball games or NFL games, whatever, real easily. They'll be listed here instead of having to go search for which sports channel that's on. There's music and radio section. If you don't want to be listening, you know, there's a karaoke section. And then if you get on here to settings, the default password is 0000. You can also change that right here with the parental control. You can change the PIN. It will give you here your expiration date, February 15th, 2027, for a year subscription. And then from the main menu here, if you hit left 1, 2, 3 times, it refreshes. You scroll down, whole way down to the bottom again. There's a 19+ section for adult stuff. Same password, all zeros. And then you have your adult stuff. And to go back, it's 1, 2, 3 to the left again. 1, 2, 3 to the left again. Go down, and that choice is now hidden for your kids. Do not use the push to talk anywhere else in the CatchOn app, or else it will take you out of the app to the Amazon side, and you will be asked to pay for movies and stuff. If you're asked to pay for something, you are in the wrong spot, because everything on CatchOn is free. So that's pretty much it. So thanks, guys.